Hey guys, Varun here. How you all doing? So in this video, I'm going to do the unboxing and initial impressions of the new OnePlus 13. So this is the retail box. This is how I have received it from OnePlus online store. So I'm going to open this up in front of you right now. So let's begin with the unboxing. Okay, so this is how you get the box. Basically, this is the bill and this is the box in the bubble wrap right here. After a very long time, I'm receiving a box which is this thick in size. So this feels really good. As we all know, there is charger inside the box. So that is why this is a big box basically. And here we go. We have OnePlus 13 embroidered over here, and there's the OnePlus brand and Hasselblad logo as well. This is shiny red in color. This is the OnePlus 13 written on the right side. On the bottom over here we have the variant which is 12GB and 256GB over here. This is the Midnight Ocean variant of it, and again very big box, quite hefty. And on the top, as you can see, we have the phone, the power adapter, one Type-C cable, quick guide, case and SIM tray ejector tool. So let's open the box without any further ado. Right, so this is the box. We have never settle written right on top. We will remove this from here. We'll see what else is available in this. And okay, right off the box we have the case, which is really nice to see. So this is a nice quality TPU case. It is of the same exact color which is of this phone, which is Midnight Ocean. Looks good quality. There is also Hasselblad branding over here. I'll keep this on this side for now. What else we get over here? We get the SIM ejector tool. We also have the quick guide, and okay, we have the phone wholesale stickers. So this is something really new. I haven't seen this for the very first time. This was not there in any other unboxing, and that's about it. We'll keep this on the side. So here is the phone. Well, it has some heft to it. We will remove this cover, and wow, look at this phone guys. It looks really beautiful over here in this leather, vegan leather finish. This is soft to touch. I did not expect that, but it does look very pretty. There is a good heft to the phone as well. We will remove this from the back. Okay. Here we go. So now you can see the entire phone in its all glory. It looks really gorgeous, and this is the very first time I'm actually purchasing any device with this kind of a back. It looks really good, and I think for the grip it will provide better grip as compared to the glass devices, and something different altogether. We have the OnePlus logo. We have the camera setup. As we can see, it's a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel cameras for all three lenses. We have the Hasselblad branding over here, which looks really good. Let's take a very quick overview of this. On the left side we have this alert slider, which is nice. It's a little bit on the higher side, but still it's good to have it, as OnePlus was starting to remove this from their offerings. We also have an IR blaster on the top over here. We have some noise cancelling microphones. On the right we have the volume button and the power button, again both of which are a little bit on the higher side, I would say. And on the bottom over here we have the speakers, we have the microphone, the Type-C port, and the SIM card tray, which we will try and open to show you what we get over here. So here we have the dual nano SIM slot over here. As you know, there is no memory expansion available. So this is what we have on the phone, and on the front here we have this beautiful 6.78-inch display, and we have a screen protector which is installed, which I'll keep it as it is. We'll keep the phone on the side just for a moment and see what else we get in the box. So removing okay, so there's a pull tab on the bottom, and here we have it. We have the chargers which are available, and this is something which is very rare nowadays. We do not get chargers in the box. So this is the 100 watt Superbook charger from OnePlus. This is type A to type C, and this is the very cable that comes with. So as we all know, OnePlus has the proprietary cables for those higher charging speeds, and this is that red cable which it has come with. And it's good that OnePlus had included the 100-watt charger right in the box. I think some markets are not getting the chargers and some markets are getting the 80-watt chargers. I don't know why OnePlus has done this, but it is what it is. So that's all we get in the box. So we'll keep everything on the side for now, and let's boot up the device for the very first time together. We'll also put the phone in the case and see how it actually looks and feels. So yeah, this is a nice, really nice case, and again of the exact same texture of the vegan leather. Looks really pretty, and it's good that the company is actually giving it in the box, which is really nice. And the phone does feel good in the hand even after the case. And let's boot up the device for the very first time together. Okay. Here we go. We will go with the initial installation together. We have this big hello written over here in the custom font and never settled. So let's begin. Let's select the language English. We are in India. We will do next to all of this. We'll skip it for now. Okay, so I've connected it to the Wi-Fi. We'll click on next. We'll see it is getting the phone ready. I don't have my SIM in this right now, but I will definitely, for testing purpose, will do that. I'll select don't copy over here. We'll quickly move ahead with this setup. We'll skip this for now as well. We'll skip it again. This is a very elaborate process which I am sure you will go through once you are doing it. We will set up the fingerprint over here, so let's do that for the very first time. I'll select one pattern. Okay, so this time around we have optical fingerprint scanner for the device, and we will set up together. So let's see how quick it is. The placement of this fingerprint scanner is good. On the 13R it is on the lower side, but here it is actually available at a perfect location in order to unlock the device, and it's quite elaborate, so it is taking some time to actually register my fingerprint from all directions. But I've heard that this is a very quick fingerprint scanner, so we will test that in a very short while. So okay, we have done it. Of course, we'll search. It will be Google search only. I will skip it for now and auto update overnight. Okay, I'll agree to all of this. And yes, I have selected gesture control. So here we go. This is the welcome screen of the device, Oxygen OS. Let's go. So yes, okay, I'll choose split for now, which is the newer way of interacting with the device. And as you can see, this is the home screen of the latest OnePlus 13, and it looks fabulous. As you can see, if we scroll from the top over here, this is 120 hertz without any doubt, and extremely smooth. The 6.78 AMOLED display which is there on this device, it looks really gorgeous. And right now, if we swipe from the left, we get the notifications, and if we swipe from the right, we get the quick settings. This is a new way of interacting with the device, and this looks a little bit cluttered. Many people have been saying that this is a lot of information on one page, but you can definitely change it the way you want to, and there are multiple ways to actually interact with this. We will go through it one by one. Right now we'll go in the settings, so let me figure out how to do that. Okay, so here we go. We are in the settings and see what we have here. So this is the Oxygen OS here on there. So this is the 15 Oxygen OS version, In China, this phone has been launched since 1 month, and this phone runs color OS over there. But across the globe, we have Oxygen OS 15. So I will definitely test it very rigorously in the coming days, and will bring in the review for the same. So if you want to see that, please subscribe to my channel, and also if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up as well. So right now, right out of the box, we have a software update for 988 MB. So there were certain niggles in the initial software which was there, even in the cameras. So they have actually sorted it out, and that is why this download has come. So I will download it, and I will give my entire review post that only. And this overall feels like a very nice device, guys. And if you go in the battery, as we all know, this is a 6000 milliamp hour battery, one of the biggest batteries which is available on any flagship smartphone right now. And yeah, this was about it. This was my initial impressions unboxing of the new OnePlus 13. I will test this very rigorously in the coming days, and I will give you my full review of the device. You can actually write in the comments below what you want to see, what you want me to test, and I will do that accordingly. So yeah, guys, this was the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.